So today I got both of my brother's birds, Kiwi and Toots. Kiwi, stop playing with my hair. Toots. Oh, they're fighting. Stop. Kiwi. 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 Calm down. If you don't know what they're doing right now, they're biting my choker. And also, they're both my brothers. I can just grab one. Toots is more calm. Here's Toots. She's so cute. I don't know why she's missing a bunch of tail feathers. She has seizures just like me. Oh, I want to show you to the viewers. She's so cute. They're both cockatiels. Stop hitting the butt in the face. Oh, if they flap like that, doesn't mean they're trying to fly. It just means they're losing their balance. And Kiwi. Here's Kiwi. She's a stinker. And Toots. She just likes to sit there a lot. And they're both on my shoulders right now. Okay, so I'm just doing this video just to show you the birds again, since I only showed them in one shot. Ow! Would you not scream in my ear? Toots? Stop. Okay, as I was saying, I'm doing this video since I only showed them in one video and there was barely anything in it. And Kiwi, please don't bite. Ow! Ow! Kiwi! I wonder what she was doing. She was biting my earrings. I told you she's a stinker. Kiwi. Okay. Kiwi, she could be a bit naughty. Toots? Oh, she's okay. She's just hard to put in her cage when it's nighttime. Or just anytime. But there are the birds again. One last look. If I can get one. It's Toots. And there goes Toots very slowly. And Kiwi. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Kiwi. And here's both of them. And there's Kiwi. The yellow one's Kiwi. The other one's Toots. Would you girls stop fighting? There they are. Thank you for 17 subscribers. And bye. And also,